Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Bell. I hope you're enjoying your first day home with your family. I want to show you our science book, which I have here. Remember I said I was going to make some videos for you while we were at home. So I'm going to be looking at star patterns with you. Star patterns are when stars are very close together. You can almost see a shape in the sky, so it's pretty interesting. So we're going to zoom in on our book and then I'll be able to tell you more about it. Star patterns. People look for star patterns in the stars. Some stars look like they are in groups. They look close together in the sky. People imagine that stars are connected together to make a pattern. The star patterns have names. The patterns help people remember where the stars are in the sky. So take a look at this one down here. Okay, this is a star pattern called the Big Dipper. This star pattern is called the Big Dipper. It looks like a cup with a long handle. The Big Dipper points to the North Star. So this is one that people can see in the sky and see how the stars are close together, and it looks like you can connect them. Now just so you know, those connecting lines are not there in the sky, but when people look up at the sky, they feel like they can see this Big Dipper. Okay, it goes up and over. The one right here, it points all the way up to this North Star, and the North Star is a very bright star in our sky. So that's one way that people can find the North Star, is by looking for the star pattern called the Big Dipper. So this first pattern over here, this star pattern is called Orion. Orion is shaped like a hunter with a belt and a shield. So you have to use your imagination a little bit. This is supposed to be a person, and when you look, here he is with his belt. There's his feet down at the bottom, and then that's supposed to be his shield that comes out. Okay. The other star pattern over here is called Scorpius. Scorpius is shaped like a scorpion with a curled tail. So that's supposed to be his head up here and like his pinchers, and then you look and it comes down and around. So again, those lines are not there in the sky, but when you look up at the sky at night, if you can find these stars, usually with Orion, I try to look for his belt. And once you find his belt, then it's easier to find his whole body. So when you get a chance, go out at night and see if you can look at the stars, and maybe you'll see one of the patterns. One of the normal ones I like to see a lot is the Big Dipper. That's one of my favorite ones because I like how you can look and see the North Star attached with it. Okay, so just as a follow-up to this. Okay, boys and girls, so now you're going to answer just 2 questions that I have on Google Forms. I hope you enjoyed learning about star patterns today.